Hello, and thank you for calling customer service. To schedule a callback, press 1. To stay on the line, press 2. To completely transform and modernize how you engage with your customers, please hang up and hang on. Customer service isn't as straightforward as it used to be. Needs and behaviors are evolving fast, and there's no sign the pace of change will slow down, ever. Digital channels have become the preferred method for customer engagement across every industry, everywhere. Telemedicine and digital care, virtual assistants in banking and insurance, and smart speakers that now handle everything from managing energy usage to paying bills and more. To keep up, businesses can't just change their approach to customer service. They need to completely transform it. At Cognizant, our customer service transformation services can help you reimagine engagements, streamline and personalize experiences, optimize costs, and ultimately increase customer satisfaction and retention. Our strategy is focused on results, backed by best-in-class CX consulting, process maturity models, industrialization services, and next-gen digital technologies. Cognizant's transformational approach centers around 4 key offerings: conversational AI, cloud CX platforms, experience engineering, and digital business transformation. Our solutions handle over 10 billion interactions annually for more than 200 clients, delivering game-changing results such as reducing license costs by 30%, eliminating 90% of manual processes, and raising CSAT scores by as much as 95%. We have the expertise to help you identify the moments that matter most to your customers and deliver consistently delightful experiences that are personalized, streamlined, and effective. If your customer service center isn't doing all of this and more right now, then maybe it's time to hang up and try again. We'll be waiting for your call.